रियासत कर्नाटका में असेंबली इंतखाबात, असेंबली इलेक्शंस की तैयारियां जोरों पर हैं। कांग्रेस, जेडीएस और बीजेपी की जानिब से तकरीबन सारी फहरिस्तें रिलीज हो चुकी हैं उम्मीदवारों की। इस बीच कई मुस्लिम पार्टियां भी अपने उम्मीदवारों को मैदान में उतार रही हैं और लेफ्टिस्ट मूवमेंट भी आगे आया है इन असेंबली इंतखाबात में हिस्सा लेने के लिए। आज हमारे साथ हैं सोशलिस्ट यूनिटी सेंटर ऑफ इंडिया के लीडरान एन राम हमारे साथ हैं और के उमा हैं स्टेट सेक्रेटरी SUCI के। इनसे हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि रियासत में इलेक्शंस को लेकर क्या हालात बने हैं और जो बरसर इख्तिदार रूलिंग बीजेपी है उसकी हुकूमत कैसी है और इनका भी इरादा है SUCI का इलेक्शंस में हिस्सा लेने का कि ये कहां कहां पर कंटेस्ट करना चाहते हैं। सुधा मैम, बताइए कि ये जो रियासत में पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन बना हुआ है इलेक्शन से पहले, कैसा है, कैसे देखते हैं आप?
You know that Kumbhakarna sleeps for 5 years and gets up once in 5 years. Similarly, our ministers, our MLAs, our MPs, and from all parties they become quite active. And you know that BJP party, its agenda is one side, as if they are going to do something to the people. Majorly, our Narendra Modi himself told, I won't eat, I won't allow my people to eat. That means corruption we won't allow. But we are seeing that in Karnataka, after they came to power, and corruption is increasing. These years, you know that recently one contractor committed suicide because of their one of the ministers, Mr. Ishwarappa, did some cheating. He gave heart to him. From there he committed suicide, and all these contractors association president wrote one letter to Prime Minister that immediately should take action. There is 40% commission they are taking, and it is much corruption is going on here. But still there was no action from Prime Minister, and it is continuing. And we are seeing that KPSC exams, much scams are going on, and recruitment of police and other jobs also. Many scams came out and many people are arrested, but still proper steps are not taken. They are not owning the responsibility. Whenever we criticize BJP tells Congress has done. Congress has done. That is not the answer, to be honest. They should be responsible for everything. And you know, before COVID and after COVID also in the health sector, if you take, miserably our BJP government failed in Karnataka. And they did not take the care of the people's health. And everywhere we are seeing for common people, for poor people, government hospitals are not maintained properly. All are 5-star hospitals and corporate hospitals, and common man cannot go there. And if you take education sector, there are also many education anti-education policies they brought recently. They made many changes in textbooks, and their ideologue Hedgewar, his lesson they brought and introduced in it to school textbooks, and Bhagat Singh lesson they removed, and many progressive writers lessons they removed. After the fight of our student organization IDSO and many other progressive personalities, they again brought back some lessons, but still they are trying their best. This hijab issue if you take, halal cut issue you take, there here and there many issues, and recently anti-conversions act they brought, and this way they are somehow trying to dominate. One sort of fear they are creating among people, and IT attack or ED attack, any attack they make to control the people. Whoever raises voice against BJP, they control them. One side domination, undemocratic atmosphere, fascistic atmosphere, and pro-communal atmosphere, and many nonsensical ideas they are bringing.
मैडम, अब देखते हैं कि हम लोग एक कोएलिशन गवर्नमेंट थी JDS और कांग्रेस की, जिसको ऑपरेशन लोटस के बाद गिराया गया और येडियुरप्पा की हुकूमत 2 साल रही। उसके बाद बोम्माई की गवर्नमेंट जो है 2 साल, अब तकरीबन अभी टर्म खत्म होने को है इलेक्शन से पहले तक, तो ये येडियुरप्पा का रूल रहा और बोम्माई का गवर्नमेंट का रूल रहा। तो ये जो गवर्नेंस है बीजेपी का 4 साल का, इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
That way we are not in favor of anybody, but if you observe both the governance, Yadurappa or Bombay, Yadurappa has got one small positive quality. He doesn't entertain this oppression of minorities. That we have watched openly. Though here and there some incidents took place, and is to that extent a bit liberal, but not as much as the liberal and progressive atmosphere we need. That much he may not be, but in comparison to Bommai is better. After Bommai government came, this hijab issue, halal cut issue, all the issues came up during Bommai's rule, and Bommai is very much obedient to all these fundamentalist forces of Hindutva and all these things. There Yadurappa himself claimed, we don't want hijab or halal cut, we want unity, people's unity. We should work for both the communities. This is expression Yadurappa gave. So those days this much anti-communal atmosphere we did not watch.
ये बताइए कि अभी लेफ्टिस्ट मूवमेंट के आप हैं, SUCI की जानिब से इंडिपेंडेंटली आप कंटेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, कर्नाटका में कहां पर आप कंटेस्ट करना चाहते हैं और क्या प्लानिंग है आपकी ये इलेक्शन को कंटेस्ट करने को लेकर?
We are contesting in 14 assembly seats, 2 seats in Bangalore, 2 seats in Gulbarga, 2 seats in Ballari and 2 seats in Mysore. Apart from that, in 6 districts, we are contesting one seat in every district. And our point is actually, we are taking this election as a part of the movement. Part of the movement, and at the same time, awareness creating is a very essential thing. When all the 3 major parties are betraying the cause of the people, it is the responsibility of any responsible organization, responsible political party like us to expose the misdeeds of all the major political parties.
ये बताइए कि अभी SUCI का जो है आपने 14 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज में इलेक्शन करने का तय किया है, तो आपका हाइलाइट्स बताइए आपके मैनिफेस्टो के, कि आपके क्या प्रॉमिसेस रहेंगे, क्या कमिटमेंट रहेगा लोगों के साथ?
Yes, we are giving one promise to the people that whatever problems are there in any constituency where we are contesting and where our organization is there, we are promising them we are with you. Whatever problems are there, we are with you. We are ready to organize people's movement. If you are coming, we will lead the movement actually. We are ready to face lathis also. We are ready to face any kinds of trouble from the government. But we will stand before the people. So in every constituency, what are the basic problems of the people, we will, through organizing people's movement, by putting pressure on the government, we will solve the problem of different constituency wherever we are working.
मैम अभी एक अहम सवाल और आखिरी सवाल ये है, ये जो 14 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज में आप कंटेस्ट करना चाहती हैं स्टेट वाइड, बेंगलोर में, मैसूर में, ये कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं आप? क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कि एक तरफ कांग्रेस है, बीजेपी है और JDS है, तो रिसेंटली हमने देखा कि 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा इलीगल मनी सीज किया गया इलेक्शन कमीशन की जानिब से मुख्तलिफ चेक पोस्ट पर स्टेट वाइड। तो ऐसे में आप किस तरह लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करेंगी अपनी पार्टी के तरफ? ये भी सवाल उठता है कि वोट डिवीजन पॉसिबल है, तो ऐसे में हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट आर यू?
As you told, it is very correct. Today, 2-party system has come. Either that party or this party, it is bourgeois party. There for us to win is not so simple, we know. But what we can do is, if we can create awareness and understanding to the people, people will support us. And our confidence is, we are not to have a sort of political power mongering character. Our character should be based on a principle. There is our confidence, and people have got faith in this party. This is the party which fights for people's cause. That is our confidence. In this confidence, we can see one day definitely we can win either this or that seat.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम बात कर रहे थे के उमा और एन श्रीराम, जो कि सोशलिस्ट यूनिटी सेंटर ऑफ इंडिया के लीडरान हैं, लेफ्टिस्ट मूवमेंट से जुड़े हुए हैं। कर्नाटका इलेक्शन में वो रियासतगीर 14 सीटों पर कंटेस्ट करना चाहते हैं। हमसे बात करते हुए उन्होंने बीजेपी के गवर्नमेंट जो येडियुरप्पा और बसवराज बोम्माई के क़ियादत में रहा, उस पर उन्होंने रोशनी डाली, और साथ ही रियासत के जो मुख्तलिफ हालात बने हैं सियासी, इन पर उन्होंने रोशनी डाली। उनका कहना है कि SUCI अवाम में बेदारी लाएगी, अवेयरनेस लाएगी, पॉलिटिकल अवेयरनेस लाएगी, और उनकी कोशिश ये होगी कि आने वाले दिनों में उनकी जानिब से जो मैनिफेस्टो दिया गया है वो प्रो पीपल रहेगा। और उनका कहना है कि आने वाले इलेक्शंस में जो फिस्ताई ताकतें हैं, जो कम्युनल फोर्सेस हैं, इनको हराना लाजमी होगा। रफीक जब्बार, ETV भारत।